Hi there. Welcome to our captivating video. Join us as we delve into the enchanting world of the mouse around the world's snow globe. This exquisitely crafted snow globe music box is made from high-quality polyresin. When you wind up the bottom key and unleash the magic, the globe and the earth spin in mesmerizing counter directions, creating a delightful scene. Let's take a closer look at this extraordinary piece. The attention to detail is evident in the hand-carved craftsmanship and the meticulous use of multiple colors. Each landmark is intricately depicted, capturing the essence of these iconic places. The smooth finish results from thorough polishing, ensuring a truly refined and collectible item. This snow globe is a stunning decoration and a joyous celebration of exploration and adventure. Seated in a hot air balloon and armed with binoculars, these intrepid mice survey the world below, meticulously planning their next thrilling adventure. The globe-shaped base showcases a panoramic view of renowned landmarks and architectural wonders such as the pyramids, Sphinx, Sydney Opera House, Mayan temples, and the Temple of Heaven, among others. Inside the snow globe, you'll discover iconic symbols like the Statue of Liberty, Dutch windmills, and the Eiffel Tower. The snow globe itself is a visual delight, showcasing a miniature rendition of our diverse and splendid world. The water inside creates a captivating snow-like effect, further enhancing the enchantment. The rotating motion of the globe evokes a sense of wonder, beckoning you to embark on your own imaginative journey. As the globe spins, you can almost sense the excitement of the mice's explorations. It's a mesmerizing fusion of art, music, and storytelling. This is not only a delight for the eyes, but also a meaningful gift for explorers, dreamers, and collectors alike. Its symbolic representation of world wonders and the spirit of adventure make it a wonderful reminder to embrace curiosity and wanderlust. Whether you're gifting it to a loved one or adding it to your own collection, this exquisite piece is sure to inspire and captivate. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey around the world with the Mouse Globe Music Box. If this enchanting creation has sparked your imagination, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow adventurers and collectors, and subscribe to our channel for more delightful discoveries. Let the melodies and the mesmerizing visuals continue to transport you to far-off lands and fill your heart with a sense of wonder. Until we meet again, may your dreams take flight. See you next time.